I love old useless crap, which is why I bought this tablet right here. This is a Samsung Galaxy Tab E. It's from 2015, which is probably older than all Fortnite players. And speaking of useless crap, this tablet is gonna run Windows XP. Why? Come on, buddy. You know the answer when you clicked on this video. Anyway, without further ado, I'd say we get going. Well, as you can see, this is not Android 4.4. Why do I mention this? Because usually you couldn't update this iPad past that Android version, but I installed a custom ROM because I'm a bad boy. And as you can see, it runs Android 7.12. To make things better, we have 1.4 gigabytes of RAM. This is gonna be a lot of fun, isn't it? Oh yeah, this custom ROM is called Viper OS. Feel the venom in your vein. No thank you, because if that was the case, I would die. Okay, so what do we need? We need a PC emulator, and we have two options: Spectra's VM or Limbo X86. And because this runs a very old version of Android and only has 8 gigabytes of storage, much of which is probably used, we're gonna use Limbo X86 because I feel like it's more suitable to old piece of crap devices like these. Alright, Limbo X86 PC emulator is installed. Oh, yeah, I ain't reading all that. Okay. First, we're gonna have to create a new machine. You might think I'm gonna call it Windows XP now. I want to be different, so I'm gonna call it Bonwick. There we go. Gotta be custom. We don't even have 1 gigabyte left, so we're gonna have to do some upgrading here. Do you see this, guys? This is an SD card slot. You open this, and then you put the SD card in. Eventually, presto, we have additional 16 gigabytes. And here's your Windows XP ISO file. Okay.
Welcome to the new show. When will this idiot notice his mistake?
Machine is created. What we're gonna have to do now is add a CD-ROM. Open. I said open. Okay, it's not opening. Maybe because we have to add an HDD first. No. Bonwick is chosen.
Here, it took 13 seconds, but in reality, it took much longer.
Now we're gonna have to add an HDD, or rather create one. So new, and what are we gonna call this one? Chadwick. Chadwick is 2 gigabytes. What a weird sentence. Now we also need to add a CD-ROM. I also picked Windows XP Lite because it is more lightweight, and we're gonna have to save every single bit of RAM we can. File path is not supported. Make sure you choose a file directory from your internal storage or external SD card. Root and download directories are not supported. Okay. Well, I just looked up the problem. We have to go to settings and enable the legacy file manager. There it is. That actually worked. Very cool. We can launch it now and see what happens. Well, here goes nothing. It's doing stuff. Cannot be denied. Oh, that was rather easy so far. I am sure nothing bad will happen. I just lost all of my money. Setup is starting Windows. I guess we are progressing. This has been taking a while now, not gonna lie. What is happening? Wow, look where we are. Windows XP professional setup. I feel like a professional right now. Where's the keyboard? I guess here it is. So first off, we're gonna have to partition this unpartitioned space. Let's press C. Enter. Very cool. Format the partition using the NTFS file system, or do we pick format the partition using the NTFS file system quick? Considering the speed of this device and the emulation, I would prefer to choose quick, but there are no arrow keys. Our beloved Bluetooth keyboard returns. Just gonna have to do this. Now it's connected. Does it work? It works. When you press this button, it reacts. I am a genius. Setup is formatting. I guess we are copying files now. This might take a while. You won't believe how long this took. Finally, please wait while setup initializes your Windows XP configuration. What do you think I've done this whole time? I really hope it works, because if not, I'm gonna be angrier than Alejandro de Garcia on Taco Tuesday. I have no idea who that is. There's a black screen now. It rebooted. Something's loading. Seems like the standard Windows XP installation process. Things go a little too smooth. It's getting a little boring. We need things to go wrong. Windows XP on a Samsung tablet. What a sight to behold. That bar thing isn't even properly moving. It's glorious. We ain't even done yet. Oh, a cursor that I cannot move. A good sign for things to come. You know, I'm starting to feel like this whole thing was not a good idea. Mama ain't raised no quitter. Just ask the local casino. Setup is starting Windows. It's black! Huh, we are exactly where we have been at the beginning. Nothing works. It's worse than math class.
Alright class, who can explain this equation to me?
Mr. Lester? I just shat my pants.
This is an online class. You don't have to tell me.
Gotta say, things ain't going ideal, but I have one ace up my sleeve. Come on, bastard. Yes. You might remember the Chadwick Q cow file. I hope that's how you pronounce it. And well, some people have uploaded their Q cow files on the internet, and I'm gonna use one of them now. I do not know why I think that might work. I'm not known for good ideas, so let's just roll with it. We gotta give this new machine another name. Oh yeah, I have set everything up. I will now leave it in the hands of whoever created this file. Well, I'm really fucking scared. This is quite frustrating. After this also didn't work out, I decided to try out a VMDK file from the Internet Archive, then transferred the file from my other tablet to my SD card. File transfer completed. The file is so big. It's the final attempt. It's not. Pick the VMDK file this time around. VMDK stands for Virtual Machine Drift King. If this also doesn't work, I'm all out of options. I'm at a loss for words. I'm sick of you. You are the worst device I have ever laid my hands upon. I do not like you. You should be ashamed of yourself. Guys, you're gonna learn a lesson here. I had enabled the legacy file manager, and as you can read right here, SD card might not be supported. And you might be thinking now, what does this have to do with anything? Well, the VMDK file was inside of an SD card, which is why it did not work. So, we're not done here. The legacy file manager is disabled. John Wick machine is set up. We are ready to launch. I am kind of scared, but what are we if we don't take risks in life? Okay, it's doing stuff. Booting from hard drive. Oh, this should be good. You might actually boot into a desktop environment. Don't crash. No! Screw you! Man, this is like that one time I tried to edit a PDF. Why can't I edit you? Wait, I can. With UPDF. This is UPDF, an all-in-one AI-powered PDF editor. You can fully edit text, swap out images, insert links, highlight text, and leave notes flawlessly. And check this out. If you scan a physical paper contract or print an academic paper, you can use their intelligent OCR tool. It digitizes the entire image into real, highlightable, editable text instantly. It's a lifesaver for old documents. And because it's 2026, their built-in AI panel gives you access to full deep learning assistance. You can summarize hundreds of pages of complex data in seconds, translate text instantly, or chat directly with your files. Plus, it handles everything else you'll ever need, from batch PDF conversion and compression to adding digital signatures, making it a true all-in-one tool. Unlike other brands, one single license works across all your devices: Windows, Mac, iOS, and Android. Edit on your PC and it seamlessly syncs to your phone. And a kicker, it costs a mere 1/6 of the price of Adobe Acrobat. There's an exclusive discount link at the very top of my description and pinned in the comments, plus a free trial. Go check out UPDF. This is a final attempt. It's not. With a working QCOW file. You know what? If it doesn't work, I don't even care. Who cares, am I right? I am too Sigma for that, which is more attractive than alpha males. Thanks for that, Anthony Spade. Loading bar. Never seen that before. Oh, Windows XP loading bar. Never seen that before. Who even cares? I'm too cool for that. Windows XP? More like Windows shit P. Black screen. I don't care. I am too nonchalant for that. I don't care. A cursor, which I don't care about. Does it move? It moves. I don't care though. Please just work. Oh boy, oh boy. Windows is starting up. I don't care though. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. To begin, click your username. But I don't care though. Why don't you react? What is that? One of the files containing the system's registry data had to be recovered by use of a log or alternate copy. The recovery was successful. Oh wow, something successful. Okay. I'm not sure if I made it clear enough to you guys, but I don't care about anything that's happening right now. Doesn't even react. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. I know I said my previous attempt was a final one, but I have one final ace up my sleeve, and I can't stop this video without installing Windows on this device. It would bring shame upon my family. So what I've done now is install Windows XP Lite on my Samsung Galaxy S24, copied the QCOW file on this tablet, and now we are trying to run that QCOW file. Called this one Fredwick. I like names that end with Wick. You're not gonna have to watch watch through all of that again. The next transition is gonna show you if it worked or not. Here goes nothing. It is the hope that kills you. This tablet isn't made to run Windows XP. This is what it would have looked like, Windows XP Lite on my S24. There is not much. I will just quickly show you the accessories. Ooh, there's entertainment, volume control. Wow, that must be so entertaining. Oh, it's not working. As you can see, it's an empty shell of an OS. This is so entertaining. I feel so entertained right now. I'm playing some Mario on this tablet right now. It's not completely useless. Would I recommend this? Absolutely not. Don't install Windows XP on a crappy tablet. Just don't do it. It's a waste of time. If I was able to entertain you, like this video, subscribe, and don't tell your teacher that you crap your pants on an online class. Right? Thanks for watching.
Fab 5 Freddy told me everybody's fly. DJ spinning, I said my. Flash is fast, Flash is cool. Francois Sapar, Flash ain't no dude, and you don't stop. Sure shot, go out.